Welcome to part 3 of our guide, where we're going to build a free Google website for local service businesses such as plumbers, electricians, or cleaners. The website is fast, mobile responsive, and is designed to move website visitors to new business inquiries. We're going to answer our visitors' question of, can I trust you, by adding the money-back guarantee and to either have testimonials or Google reviews. We'll also add another click-to-call action button and a request a callback button. In the first step, we're going to add the money-back guarantee. Go to Google and search for a money-back guarantee icon that is free. I like to use Web Design. They tend to have quite a few icons that are available for free. I like the look of this particular badge, so I'm going to click on this one. The free icon is already 500 by 500 pixels, which is perfect for what we want. Be sure to click the download link and not the download button above. The download will start in 4 seconds, so just wait and that'll start downloading automatically. Next, we want to upload our money-back guarantee icon to imagecompressor.com, and this will compress the image so the website remains fast when somebody is viewing our website. Choose the transparent image. This means it has a transparent background. Once your money-back guarantee icon is uploaded, you can click on it, and down below you'll see the two different images. One is compressed, which is on the right by 73%, and the original on the left. You can go ahead and use the slider on the right to further compress your image so it's even smaller, and you can look at the two images to see if the quality of the image is changing. If it's noticeable, then I would stop. Once you're happy with that, you can click apply. Download your money-back guarantee icon. Let's go back to our website and add a new layout. Here we can upload our money-back guarantee icon. And you'll notice that we'll upload the one with a -min in it, which means it's been compressed. And this one will be the one we want to upload to the website. Let's resize the icon box so that we can see the full money-back guarantee icon. Now I'm going to go back to my notepad and copy the content I have prepared for the money-back guarantee. In your money-back guarantee, you want to state why you're different or how you are different, and also it's okay to say something if you can guarantee it. A lifetime warranty on all workmanship. This does not include, any parts or products. The warranty for those would come from the actual warranty from the product. But you could offer a lifetime warranty on the actual labor in installing or replacing some parts. Next, I'm going to add the money-back guarantee headline. Make any final adjustments you need to so it looks good. Now we're ready to add the click to call button and also the request a callback button. First, I'm going to add a divider. Then I'm going to go back to my notes and copy the code that's required for the two buttons. So we'll start with the first button. You don't need to know what the code actually does, you just need to copy it and paste it in. And change the phone number to your phone number. Okay, let's insert that button and readjust the size of the box. Let's add the second button, which is the request a callback button. Same thing, I'm going to copy the code from my notepad and paste that into the embed code section. All this will be in the accompanying Google Docs, which will be linked in the description. The only thing to be mindful in here is that you actually have the Google Forms link that we did in previous videos. That is a link to your Google form and not to my Google form. insert the request a callback button and adjust the size of the box. Now I'm going to change the panel background so that it is emphasis 1. And the reason I do that is to make some separation between the other panels and this particular. So I'm going to do that with the maps and also the money back guarantee, as well as the call to action buttons. Okay, now we're ready to add our testimonials, and let's start that now. Let's add the headline for the testimonials. I'm just going to call it Botany Plumbing Testimonials. This will be a title which I have applied bold to and center aligned. Now we're ready to add another layout. In this case, I assume that you already have some testimonials that are on YouTube, and we're simply just going to add them in here. In the next section of this video, I'm going to go through how to actually create these video testimonials with your clients or customers, and how to make this a process that is implemented as part of your business so that you have new, fresh video testimonials that speak highly of your business. And I'll also talk a little bit about how to get Google reviews if you prefer to have Google reviews on there instead of video testimonials. The good thing with video testimonials is you only need a couple, and you know they speak a lot because you actually see the previous customer and it feels more authentic and more real. However, Google reviews are also something that 90% of people will look at before they engage a business they've never used before. To search a YouTube video, just type it in the search box as you would if you were on YouTube. I'm going to add a short title of who gave this video testimonial. I'll also put a short description of what the video is talking about, and I will go and grab that from my notepad. Congratulations, you've added your money back guarantee panel, as well as the call to action buttons such as the click to call and the request a callback button. And we've also added 2 video testimonials with the title and a short description of what the testimonial talks about. Okay, if you don't have any testimonials or you don't have any Google reviews, I'm going to talk briefly about that, on how to get those, and a process that you can implement in your business so that you will have ongoing Google reviews, and how to manage that, and also how to get testimonials.